And now we have news coming in about the Unnao rape case. CBI has challenged the Delhi High Court's decision of granting bail to Unnao rape convict and expelled BJP leader Kuldeep Sengar in Supreme Court. The investigative agency took the decision after going through the orders of Delhi High Court's division bench. India Today accesses CBI's plea in Supreme Court. CBI has said Delhi High Court has erred in law. It has said the order by Delhi High Court is perverse. Sengar is highly influential person and life of survivor will be under threat. CBI has said that jail is the rule post-conviction, bail is the exception. This is the latest that we're getting from the Unnao rape case, where, remember, Sengar was recently, just days ago, granted bail if he furnished a 15 lakh rupee bond, and now CBI is saying Sengar is highly influential person, life of the survivor will be under threat. For more on that, we have Nalini joining us. Nalini, we are seeing that CBI has now filed a plea and against the order by the Delhi High Court, calling it perverse, saying Sengar is a highly influential person and life of the survivor will be under threat. This we are seeing after we saw many protests by the Unnao rape survivor.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, the CBI has filed its SRP before the Supreme Court already. And when the Delhi High Court order had come, even at that time, the CBI made it clear that they will be challenging the verdict, which has now officially been done. What the CBI has basically said is that both POCSO and the Prevention of Corruption Act, from which the definition of public servant was taken by the trial court while convicting Kuldeep Sengar, they said that they both have a common legislative intent and that the trial court had correctly interpreted the law when they had called Kuldeep Sengar a public servant. They've also gone ahead and told the Supreme Court that any MLA imposes public trust, being a representative of the public, and hence has to be a public servant, which is why the Delhi High Court judgment is wrong. It remains to be seen how early the Supreme Court takes up the matter for hearing and as to whether or not they will agree to interfere. And we're also waiting for the survivor family to also move to the Supreme Court challenging the Delhi High Court judgment.
Right, we're yet to see when the Supreme Court will take up the order and if it will intervene. Thank you so much for joining in, Nalini.